This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Danielle Logue. This beautiful 3-bed/2.5 bath has it all. Master on main, huge closets, fully fenced yard maintenance included in the HOA, covered back patio with entry from the master or living room, soaring vaulted ceilings, fireplace, open floor plan with flex room that could be used as a formal living room, playroom, or office. Eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar in addition to formal dining room. 2 large bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. Tons of storage. Close to shopping, restaurants, and I-77. New roof in 2020. For more information, review the details below.